Natural and chemical semi-permeable membrane. A membrane which allows the passage of only solvent molecules and not solute particles is called a semi-permeable membrane. Vegetable membranes and animal membranes are the natural membranes of this type. They may also be prepared by artificially. That chemical semi-permeable membrane, cellophane, freshly precipitated inorganic substances such as copper ferrocyanide, silicates of iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. are some examples of artificial chemical semi-permeable membranes. A copper ferrocyanide membrane is prepared by electrically depositing a precipitate of copper ferrocyanide obtained by the combination of cupric ions and ferrocyanide ions in the pores present in the walls of porous pot. Reverse osmosis. When the pressure applied on the solution is greater than the osmotic pressure of the solution, the solvent starts flowing from the solution into the solvent through the semi-permeable membrane. This phenomenon is termed as reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is generally used for the desalination or purification of seawater or hard water. Seawater is a dilute solution consisting of several undesirable salts. In order to purify seawater, it is kept in contact with the pure water through a semi-permeable membrane. On applying external pressure greater than the osmotic pressure to the seawater, reversible osmosis takes place and the pure water from the seawater flows into the pure water taken on the other side of the membrane. The pure water thus obtained can be used for drinking purposes. Next, isotonic, hypotonic and hypertonic solutions. First, isotonic solutions. When two solutions are separated by a semi-permeable membrane and no osmosis occurs, that is, there is no net flow of water on either side through the membrane, the solutions are said to be isotonic solution. If the membrane is perfectly semi-permeable, the two solutions possess same osmotic pressure and are also referred as iso-osmotic solutions. Hypertonic solution. When a solution has a higher osmotic pressure as compared to some other solution, it is termed as hypertonic solutions. Then hypotonic solution. The solution having lower osmotic pressure as compared to some other solution is referred to as hypotonic solutions.